Hey, stargazers, did you know that Saturn's rings are so big you could fit almost a million Earths inside them? That's right, a million! It's mind-boggling, isn't it? Today we're diving deep into the secrets of these majestic rings. Buckle up, space explorers, because this is one cosmic journey you don't want to miss. For centuries, these shimmering rings have captivated astronomers and dreamers alike. But what are they made of? Imagine countless icy particles, some as small as dust grains, others as large as houses, all swirling around Saturn at incredible speeds. These icy dancers create the breathtaking spectacle we call Saturn's Rings. These rings aren't just a random jumble of ice though. They're organized into distinct bands, separated by gaps. Some rings are thin and faint, while others are broad and bright. This intricate structure is a result of the gravitational pull of Saturn and its many moons. One of the biggest mysteries surrounding Saturn's rings is their age. Are they as old as the solar system itself? Or are they a more recent phenomenon? Scientists have debated this question for decades, with evidence pointing in different directions. The story of Saturn's rings is a fascinating one, filled with mystery and wonder. These rings have captivated scientists and astronomers for centuries, leading to numerous theories and studies about their origin and age. Some scientists believe that Saturn's rings are relatively young, perhaps only a few 100 million years old. This is a relatively short period in the grand timeline of our solar system, which is over 4.5 billion years old. The idea that these rings are young is intriguing because it suggests that we are witnessing a relatively recent event in cosmic terms. This theory is based on the pristine appearance of the rings. Unlike other celestial bodies that have been around for billions of years and show signs of aging and wear, Saturn's rings appear almost untouched. They are composed primarily of water ice, which reflects sunlight and gives them their bright, shiny appearance. Over billions of years, the rings should have been darkened and contaminated by space dust, but they remain surprisingly bright. This has led scientists to speculate that the rings are constantly being replenished by material from Saturn's moons or other sources. The exact mechanism of this replenishment is still a topic of research and debate. Some theories suggest that the rings could be the remnants of a moon that was shattered by Saturn's gravity, while others propose that they are the result of cometary material being captured by the planet's gravitational pull. The mystery of Saturn's rings continues to be a subject of fascination and study, as scientists strive to understand the processes that have kept them so bright and pristine over such a long period of time. As we continue to explore our solar system and gather more data, we may one day uncover the secrets of these magnificent rings and their place in the history of our cosmic neighborhood. So how did these majestic rings form? One theory suggests that they are the remnants of a shattered moon. Perhaps a stray comet or asteroid strayed too close to Saturn, causing a catastrophic collision that ripped the moon apart. Saturn, the sixth planet from the Sun, has long fascinated astronomers and space enthusiasts alike. Its majestic rings, visible even through small telescopes, have been a subject of wonder and speculation for centuries. But what if these rings hold a darker secret? Another theory proposes that Saturn's rings are the result of the planet's own gravitational appetite. This theory, known as cosmic cannibalism, suggests that Saturn's rings are not just a collection of ice and rock, but the remnants of celestial bodies that the planet has devoured over billions of years. As Saturn grew in the early solar system, it may have pulled in smaller objects like comets and asteroids. These objects, once wandering freely through space, found themselves caught in Saturn's powerful gravitational pull. Imagine a cosmic dance where these celestial bodies, unable to escape, spiraled closer and closer to the gas giant. These objects were then ripped apart by the planet's gravity, torn into countless fragments. The immense gravitational forces at play would have been enough to shatter these bodies into pieces, creating a chaotic cloud of debris. Over time, this debris settled into the distinct rings we observe today, their shattered remains forming the rings we see today. Each fragment, each piece of ice and rock tells a story of destruction and creation. The rings are a testament to the violent processes that shaped our solar system. They are not just beautiful to look at, but also a reminder of the dynamic and sometimes destructive nature of planetary formation. This theory of cosmic cannibalism adds a new layer of intrigue to our understanding of Saturn. It suggests that the planet's rings are not just passive structures, but active participants in the history of our solar system. They are the remnants of a cosmic feast, a testament to Saturn's gravitational might. In the early solar system, chaos reigned. Planets were forming, colliding, and capturing smaller objects. Saturn, with its massive size and strong gravitational field, was particularly adept at pulling in these wandering bodies. Over time, these captured objects were torn apart, their fragments adding to the growing rings around the planet. Today, Saturn's rings are one of the most iconic features in our solar system. They are a symbol of the planet's power and a reminder of the dynamic processes that continue to shape our cosmic neighborhood. As we continue to study Saturn and its rings, we uncover more about the history and evolution of our solar system. Future missions to Saturn, such as those planned by NASA and other space agencies, will provide even more insights into the origins and composition of these rings. By studying the rings up close, we can learn more about the materials that make them up and the processes that led to their formation. Scientists use a combination of observational data, computer simulations, and theoretical models to piece together the history of Saturn's rings. Each new discovery adds to our understanding, revealing the complex interplay of forces that have shaped this magnificent planet and its rings. As we gaze up at Saturn in the night sky, we are reminded of the mysteries that still await us. The theory of cosmic cannibalism is just one of many that seek to explain the origins of Saturn's rings. It challenges us to think about the dynamic and sometimes violent processes that govern our universe. In the end, Saturn's rings are more than just a beautiful feature. They are a window into the past, a record of the cosmic events that have shaped our solar system. They remind us of the power and beauty of the universe and the endless mysteries that await our discovery. Some scientists believe that Saturn's rings are actually leftover material from the formation of the solar system itself. These rings, which are composed primarily of ice particles, rocky debris, and dust, offer a fascinating glimpse into the early days of our solar system. The idea is that these rings are remnants of the primordial disk of material that once orbited the young sun. As the planets formed, a swirling disk of gas and dust surrounded the young sun. This protoplanetary disk was a chaotic environment filled with collisions and accretions that eventually led to the formation of planets, moons, and other celestial bodies. The process was far from orderly, and not all material was incorporated into these new worlds. Some of this material may have been captured by Saturn's gravity, eventually coalescing into the rings. The rings themselves are a dynamic and ever-changing structure, constantly influenced by Saturn's gravitational pull and the gravitational interactions with its many moons. Over time, these interactions can cause the rings to spread out, clump together, or even form new structures within the rings. The composition of Saturn's rings is another clue to their ancient origins. The ice particles, which make up the bulk of the rings, are thought to be remnants of comets or other icy bodies that were torn apart by Saturn's gravity. The rocky debris, on the other hand, could be fragments of asteroids or even ancient moons that were shattered in collisions. Observations of Saturn's rings over time have revealed their dynamic nature. The rings are not static. They are constantly changing, with particles moving in and out of the rings, clumping together and spreading apart. This dynamic behavior is a testament to the complex gravitational interactions at play within the Saturnian system. By studying Saturn's rings, scientists hope to learn more about the early solar system and the processes that led to the formation of planets and other celestial bodies. The rings serve as a natural laboratory, providing a unique opportunity to observe the remnants of the primordial material that once orbited the young sun. The gravitational interactions between Saturn's rings and its moons are particularly intriguing. These interactions can create waves and ripples in the rings, leading to the formation of new structures and patterns. By studying these interactions, scientists can gain insights into the complex gravitational dynamics that govern the behavior of celestial bodies. In conclusion, Saturn's rings are more than just a beautiful feature of the planet. They are a window into the past, offering clues about the early solar system and the processes that shaped it. By studying these cosmic leftovers, scientists can piece together the history of our solar system and gain a deeper understanding of the forces that have shaped it. Saturn's rings aren't just a beautiful spectacle, they're also a valuable window into the past. By studying their composition, structure, and dynamics, scientists can learn more about the formation and evolution of our solar system. The mysteries of Saturn's rings continue to fascinate and inspire us. As we continue to explore our solar system and beyond, we're sure to make even more incredible discoveries. What are your thoughts on the origin of Saturn's rings? Share your theories and questions in the comments below. Thanks for joining me on this cosmic adventure. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more amazing space content. and be sure to let us know what other celestial wonders you'd like us to explore next.